This tutorial is going to show you how to use the create link. All you need to do is log into your account, go to your dashboard, find the lesson that you're working on. My class is working on identifying anxiety, and click on create link. Copy it now, and then it can be pasted very simply into your learning management system or an email. One other thing I would add, especially when students are starting out, is you can find the keyboard cheat sheet under cheat sheets in the tutorial section, and I would paste that as well, especially when you're starting. There's going to be options for students to be able to understand what the keys are within the game, but this is just an extra thing that you could print out and have for your students. So we're going to go back. I'm going to put that in this link as well. Lastly, what I'd like you to do now is we're going to have a follow-up student create link tutorial. If you'd like to see how the students are actually going to make the animation, please watch that video.